Going, guys. Here I have a 2018 Toyota Tundra. This is 1794 and the mesquite exterior with the brown black interior like you see in the 1794s. Here we have a 6-inch lifted Tundra as well with 20-inch custom wheels from the company LRG rims and equipped with all-terrain tires from the company Pro Comp. This one has equipped with the running boards, chrome running boards. And the last video, let me show you one more time the block, the 6-inch block for the lift kit. And got the badging right here. Now, new for the 2018 on this one, on the 1794 and the Platinum, they added the new billet chrome grille. Not too many people like chrome, but it looks pretty nice on this vehicle here. They also added the custom light bar right there inside of the grille. And there's a button inside of where you can switch it on and off. Let me show it to you guys real fast. Got the little red button right there. You can kind of flick it up. That'll activate it. Blind some people if they're looking straight at it, but that's good for the off-road. You can see everything really well. So yeah, this is the rims right here. Let me know what you guys think. 20-inch rims. Let me get close because I know a lot of you guys are interested in the tire size. So yeah, there, take a look at that. 37 by 12.50. There you go. And then also this one comes with a skid plate in the bottom from Pro Comp as well. See the Pro Comp right there. Let me know what you guys think of the new grille for the 1794. Also have a video of a 2016 or 2017 1794 also lifted. You can check out the differences in the grills right there. This one does have the chrome front end bumper, and the back of it is going to be color matched. The Platinum, I believe the Platinum has front and back color matched. So here's the front back bumper, same color as the exterior, so 4x4. What's up? Say hi to YouTube, man. Let me show you the interior real quick. Guys, it's the same thing as the last time, but got the brown with the suede, got the nice touch to it. You got the door sill, same, everything's the same. That's it for the clusters. It's updated for the 2018s. You get the multi-information 4-inch. And of course you get all the bells and whistles on this one. There's no added packages. Except for this particular model, they added the flex fuel, which you can put 85 unleaded. Yeah, take a look at it right here. Check out the back. Alright. With the JBL sound system. Now let me just, you also got the memory seats right there for your driver and passengers if you guys switch around. And then just to mention it, all the 2018 Tundras come with Toyota Safety Sense now, so you get all those cool standard safety features. And then let me just go over the Mirona sticker here so you guys can see what the options that it comes with. I know you guys are always interested in that, so check it out. Motor's still the same, so you still get 13 city, 17 highway. And like I said, this one has the flex fuel. And check it out. Pause the video if you guys want to take a look at that. Alright. This one comes with the sunroof. Got some of the added options right there. And there we go. After everything installed, 54, 162. You got the chrome exhaust tip right there. And you can't see it from over here in the back, but they added I believe they added yeah, there you go. The LED lights. Well, that pretty much wraps this one up. Let me know what you guys think of the updates and custom mods they did to it. Let me back out so you can see it. There we go. And in the back of it, we have Tundra TRD Pro 2018. It's also lifted, but that one has a 4-inch lift. There you go. $17.94. Wake up in the morning. Which one do you jump in? TRD Sport or $17.94 6-inch lift? Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. I need to get to 1,000 subscribers. Please help me out to keep putting more updates and content. More lifted trucks coming soon. And yeah, don't forget to like. Till next time, guys.